yung tauhan mo sa akin.
Yes, we're gonna speak with the NBI. We have to diffuse the situation. Pero unacceptable yung nangyari. Unacceptable yung nangyari. Kayo ang witness. Kanina ko pa sinasabi, ibaba yung temperature, i-diffuse natin. Pero kita mo ang ginawa ng ahente ng NBI palabas, ginulpi pa yung isang isa. So, accompanied by a couple of senators, we're going to talk to the NBI director now. And we have to put some logic in everything that's going to happen. Pero hindi pwedeng unpunished yung ito. Hindi pwedeng sa police, sa BGMP, sa NBI, may mga ganyan ang utak. Utak, masugulero ba na you don't use logic, you use your fist. Hindi pwede yun.
Nakausap na po kayo.
Yung sakitan kanina, binugbog yung kagulang sa...
Yes, we declared them in contempt. So yung mga dineclare namin in contempt, hindi sila pwedeng umalis. They have to be detained.
So
So,
sila
just because he's an agent at siya'y OSAA, hindi mo, still the agent of authority nun was the OSAA. So assault on a person of authority ang ginawa ng taga-NBI.
So,
Identified na SP na sila yung naghahabol kanina kay SP, ay kay
I haven't gotten the report kasama ngayon ng bago nating OSAA, si Director. So let me talk to the Director and report back to you.